There are not the most popular team soccer in the world. Throughout Europe, Asia, South America, and Africa, billions of people play soccer all young as young start and enjoy watching the sport throughout their lives. The World Cup held over 4 years is the most anticipated sporting event in the world. However, the people of the United States of America have always been an exception. 2000年代50ポイントの曲を選択したマーサチーム全員が歌えれば大逆転果たして However, the people of the United States of America have always been an exception. They've never gotten very excited about soccer until recently. Interest in soccer there did grow in the real early 1990s. A professional league called Major League Soccer was established with teams throughout the United States and Canada. In addition, the United States hosted the 1994 World Cup. These events prompted an increase in soccer leagues for children, both boys and girls. Still, Americans there for baseball, American football, and basketball more average than soccer. If you ask to name the four most popular team sports, most would probably add ice hockey rather than soccer. After all four of these popular sports were invented and developed in North America, but in recent years, the attitude of American towards soccer has begun to improve. Many people both in and outside the United States believe that soccer is certain to become one of America's top 3 popular sports within the next 20 years. There are a number of reasons. For one thing, American teams will become stronger in international tournaments. This women's team has been especially successful, defeating Japan to win the Women's World Cup in 1915. Final match we watched on TV were more American than the championship games with professional basketball and ice hockey in the same year. While Major League Soccer has added several new teams in the last 10 years, so that few regions of the United States now lack a professional soccer team. The increase in participants is even more impressive. In 1974, it was estimated that only 100,000 American children played on organized soccer teams. Today, the number of 30 times are greater, with over 3 million children playing soccer. One reason for this surge might be immigration. In these past 40 years, many people had moved to the U.S. from such soccer-loving areas as Mexico and Central America. Another reason for the popularity of soccer among children may be related to negative aspects of the soccer's rivals. American football has always been a violent sport. Opposing players make head contact with one another on every plane. As a result, veteran players face difficulties later in life due to injuries, especially problems with their brains. In recent years, some coaches of American football have said, "I will not let my children play football." American football and soccer have several similarities. Both are played on rectangular field, outdoors, and all kinds of weather. In both sports, teammates cooperate to move a ball toward a goal. On the other hand, soccer is much safer. The contact between players is less frequent and less violent. Also, soccer can be played by both boys and girls, whereas American football is considered to be a boys' sport. Thus, as American football loses popularity, it seems natural that soccer's popularity among American young people will continue to grow. There is no doubt that soccer is the most popular team sport in the world. Throughout Europe, Asia, South America, and Africa, beyond people play soccer as youngsters and enjoy watching the sport throughout their lives. The World Cup, held every 4 years, is the most anticipated sports event in the world. However, the people of the United States of America have always been an exception. They have never gotten very excited about soccer until recently. Interest in soccer did not in the early 1990s, when a professional league called Major League Soccer was established with teams throughout the United States and Canada. In addition, the United States hosted the 1994 World Cup. This event prompted an increase in soccer leagues for children, both boys and girls. Still, American today favors American football and basketball more arbitrary than soccer. If I could to name four most popular team sports, most would probably add ice hockey rather than soccer. After all four, these popular sports were invented and developed in North America. But in recent years, that issue of American tour soccer has begun to improve. Many people both in and outside the United States believe that soccer is certain to become America's top 3 popular sports within the next 20 years. There are a number of reasons. For one thing, American teams have become stronger in international tournaments. The U.S. women's team has been especially successful, defeating Japan to win the Women's World Cup in 2015. The final match was watched on TV by more Americans than the championship games of professional basketball and ice hockey in the same year. Moreover, Major League Soccer added several new teams in the last 10 years, so that few regions of the United States now lack a professional soccer team. The increase in participants is even more impressive. In 1974, it was estimated that only 100,000 American children played on women's soccer teams. Today, the number is 30 times greater, with over 3 million children playing soccer. One reason for this soil might be immigration. In these past 40 years, many people have moved to the U.S. from such soccer-loving areas and Mexico and Central America. Another reason for the popularity of soccer among children may be related to negative aspects of one of soccer's rivals. American football has always been a violent sport. Opposing players make hard contact with one another on every play. As a result, veteran players face difficulties later in life due to injuries, especially problems with their brains. In recent years, some coaches of American football have said, "I will not let my children play football." American football and soccer have similarities, both and played on a rectangular field outdoors in all kinds of weather. In sports, teammates cooperate to move a ball toward a goal. On the other hand, soccer is much safer. The contact between players is less frequent or less violent. Also, soccer can be played by both boys and girls, whereas American football is considered to be boys' sports. Thus, as American football loses popularity, it seems natural that soccer's popularity among young people will continue to grow.